Hello, a very wonderful day to you. Nigeria is facing one of the most difficult security moments in recent years. From mass kidnappings to deadly attacks on villages, schools and communities, many Nigerians are asking a simple but uncomfortable question. After years of billion spendings on security, why does insecurity continue to spread? The question has gained fresh attention following the abduction of dozens of school children in Oyo State and growing concerns over attacks across several parts of the country. The debate has also reached the National Assembly, where lawmakers are discussing whether security spending should face deeper scrutiny and stronger oversight. For many Nigerians, this is no longer just a conversation about budget. It is a conversation about lives, communities, and the future of the country. During a recent discussion on Arise Television, policy strategist Baba Yusuf argued that Nigeria's security crisis reflects deeper problems within the country's security framework. According to him, a nation cannot claim success if insecurity continues to expand despite enormous investment. He questioned whether Nigeria's existing security approach is delivering measurable outcomes. In his view, performance should be measured by impact and result, not by announcement or spending figures. Yusuf noted that terrorist groups, bandits, kidnappers, and criminal networks appear to be expanding their reach across the country. He warned that criminal groups are becoming increasingly coordinated, sharing resources and operating across wider territories. According to him, Nigeria appears to be constantly reacting rather than staying ahead of evolving threats. He argued that discussions should not focus only on auditing defense expenditure. Instead, he called for a broader review of the entire security architecture, including priorities, operational capacity, manpower, technology, equipment, and performance measurement. His comments come amid concerns that insecurity is no longer confined to a few regions. Communities across northern Nigeria, part of the North Central Zone, and sections of the southwest have all reported growing insecurity threats. Public affairs analyst and opposition politician Mazi Nnamdi Dixon took an even stronger position. He insisted that accountability must remain at the center of the national conversation. According to him, security spending should never be shielded from scrutiny. He argued that citizens have a right to know how public funds are being used, especially when insecurity continues to affect daily life. Dixon argued and questioned why insecurity remains a major challenge despite years of government promises and military operations. He expressed concern that many Nigerians continue to feel unsafe in their homes, schools, and community. The debate intensified when retired Group Captain Sadiq Babashehu, a security scholar and counterterrorism expert, joined the discussion who supported calls for stronger oversight of security spending. He explained that accountability and operational secrecy are not opposing ideas. According to him, both can exist together within a functional democracy. He pointed out that oversight is not only about investigating financial conduct, it is also about understanding whether security agencies possess the manpower, equipment, technology, and operational capacity required to carry out the duties effectively. Shehu argued that lawmakers have a constitutional responsibility to examine how security institutions operate. He expressed concern that many oversight processes have not sufficiently been robust. According to him, questions about military strength, operational readiness, equipment availability, and resource allocation should be part of regular legislative review. He stressed that security agencies receive public funds and must therefore remain accountable to democratic institutions. The security experts also highlighted a broader challenge facing Nigeria. He suggested that unrealistic expectations are sometimes placed on security forces without adequate understanding of the resources available to them. Without proper oversight, he warned, many policy makers may struggle to identify groups that need urgent attention. The discussion also touched on human costs of insecurity. Participants referenced heartbreaking cases involving kidnapped victims, displaced communities, and families forced to abandon their ancestral home due to persistent violence. One particular disturbing example involved reports of victims enduring horrific treatment while in captivity. Such incidents have fueled public frustration and intensified calls for stronger government action. According to Yusuf, the continuing displacement of communities across parts of northern Nigeria demonstrates that insecurity remains a serious national concern. He argued that restoring public confidence requires more than official statements. Citizens want visible improvement in security, safety, and protection. The debate also raised questions about the future. With the 2027 general election approaching, insecurity is expected to remain one of the most important issues shaping political discussions across the country. Many voters are likely to assess leaders based on their ability to improve security conditions and protect lives and property. Experts believe that addressing the challenge will require a stronger combination of stronger intelligence gathering, improved coordination among security agencies, enhanced oversight, greater accountability, community engagement, and sustained political commitment. For millions of Nigerians, the conversation is no longer theoretical. Parents want to know whether their children can attend school safely. Farmers want to cultivate their land without fear. Communities want to sleep without worrying about attacks in the middle of the night. As lawmakers, security experts, and political leaders continue to debate the best path forward, one reality remains clear. The security crisis is affecting ordinary Nigerians every day. And until meaningful progress is achieved, questions about spending, accountability, leadership, and results will continue to dominate the national conversation. The challenge facing Nigeria is not simply how much money is allocated to security. The challenge is whether that investment is translating into safer communities, protected lives, and lasting peace. That is the question many Nigerians are still waiting to have answered. Do you agree that politics has overshadowed governance in Nigeria, or do you think the government is making progress despite the challenges? Share your thoughts in the comment below. Your opinion matters. If you enjoyed this report, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you will never miss our latest political update and breaking news. That will be all from us at this moment. Join us again later for another update. My name is Emerald Onufi.